Hello, beautiful artists. So I wanted to show you something I'm playing with recently here in my studio. Um, and I thought I'd just pop in and show you is a really, really easy way to create some rocks. So this was a landscape that I painted. It was very much influenced by Andrew Geeson. And I thought I'm going to give the, kind of his technique and style a try. So I did these little trees and maybe a little pond here, and I wanted to create some rocks here. So what I did is and I'll show you here. Let's just do it. So right here, I've got this brown painted. So let's just do that. And by the way, this is the little journal from Lightwish. It's pretty handy. I've been carrying it around with me when I travel. So I'm going to go ahead and lay down some brown paint because I want, this look of rocks here. So I'll just do that. And actually, let's turn my paper sideways so you can kind of have a landscape view. So I want some dark, dark colors in there because if it's stone, I want it to be kind of dark. So I'm using some Van Dyke brown. By the way, I've got my MeiLang palette here. You know I love. If you're a beginner, this is a fabulous palette. It's about 20 bucks and look at all these colors. You don't have to worry about mixing anything. It's all here for you and they're very creamy, very transparent, beautiful. So let's keep going here. And let's just say I want to make a little stone path here. And I find this works really well with darker colors. So that was why I kind of went for these dark blacks and dark browns, the Van Dyke brown. And you could even leave some areas a little bit white. So I want to dot in some black here and there. There we go. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I've just got a piece of this plastic saran wrap and I'm going to kind of crinkle it up and lay it in there. So it's all crinkled up. The more crinkly I say, the better. And then I typically put something heavy on it. So I'm going to let that one set and I'm going to show you the one I already did. But look, you can already see, look at all these little shapes that look kind of like rocks. So I'm going to set that over there and I'm just going to set a book on top of it that's heavy. Let me find a book here. Okay. And then, so what I did is I did this one and it's already dry. So here is when I peeled off that layer. You want to make sure it's really dry. This would be perfect for a wall, by the way, but I kind of wanted to make a path. So I pulled it off and now I'm just going to start adding in with, this is my brush, the number 8 round. I'm just going to start adding in with the tip of my brush, very light pressure, some little grass sticking out here and there, like that. And look at, it's already, whoops, that was too much water. So just using that tip to start creating, and look at that, you guys. So you could put this in any landscape that you have, and so easy. You don't even have to worry about doing anything more. I love this look of the grass peeking out. And look at that. Now you could do your landscape behind. Maybe do some little yellow flowers or purple. Let's get, look at that. Isn't that fantastic? You could do a body of water here. And you could even go into more detail, but look at that. So I wanted to share that with you really quick. And I will be maybe doing a tutorial on this one just to kind of show you. I kind of played with this. I prefer it to be have some more light spots in it, so I might take a razor blade and scrape out, but I don't want to show you that right now because I might mess this up because it's wet. But I hope that was something interesting for you. So here is what I will let dry for maybe an hour, and then I will come back, just peel that off, and I'll have this, and then I add in some grass areas. All right, I hope you have fun with that, playing with that, and I will talk to you soon.